Okay, so it's been a while since I last talked to you. Today is Friday, the 15th of May. I've been enjoying Germany for 2 weeks. I visited my mom for her 60th birthday and, of course, also took some time off just to reflect on myself and also taking some time to figure out my dream life, what I want to achieve in the next 2 to 5 years. And one thing that's on the top of the list is creating more content for you guys, because I see a lot more international people are watching my videos here on YouTube. I want to build something for everyone. I think most of you guys that watch my videos are either German or speak some other languages, and I think English brings that all together, because I get a lot of questions about my trading, about how I live here in Bali, how my company is set up, and also people wanting to see more insights of my life. I want to create something new for you guys, and I'm planning to launch that in the next couple of weeks. So be excited for that, because I want to bring our German trading style into the international markets and teach you guys how we trade and what we do every single day to sustain this lifestyle here. And of course, I want to bring you guys more lifestyle content on here as well. I'll use this YouTube channel for more trading education and lifestyle combined. That's why I wanted to show you guys a little bit of my German trip in this video as well. And I will show you kind of behind the scenes here, what I work on in my office and what I do with my friends. So I would say come along on this update vlog of my life, and I hope you guys enjoy.
In my Tesla, might get arrested. She sitting in my new shit. We still getting messy. Playing Anita while she got her feet up. And she let me from the neck up.
So I just arrived in Hamburg. I'll show you the car that I got for the next week. As you can see, the weather is getting really good here. So I thought it would be a great idea to get a convertible. Yeah, this is the new car.
You look good, fuck, oh well. Only care if you want me.
First little update I want to show you guys is my new neighbors. You might be recognizing them. I will show you. It's so funny because we actually live next to each other. So if I walk out of my door here, and you know my villa, and I walk over to this little villa, you will see it's like I'm walking in my own place. Hello?
Hello. Hey.
These are
Hi.
my neighbors here.
It's messy in here.
So funny that they live next to me now.
Why this beat so complex?
Alright, so it's the 16th of June and it's been a while since I did a little update here. So I thought I'll give you another small little update, what has been going on the last couple of weeks. First of all, as you can maybe see in the background, I started trading some futures, and because I passed the account and I've got a funded futures account, when I'm bored or when my trading session finished, I'll just have a look at the futures chart. Because if you haven't seen my last video, I tried to trade futures for the first time in my life without ever looking at a futures chart, just with my market knowledge and with what I want to teach in my academy. And that worked out great. So now I'm trading a funded account and trying to get this to my first payout, and of course document everything with you together. But of course, I also have another big life update. At the end of June, start of July, I will fly to Finland for a couple of weeks and then visit also my family in Germany. And I'll have 2 months in Europe, probably, maybe even more, where I document everything for you as vlogs again. I know you've missed the vlogs and I've been inactive for like over 2 months now. But the biggest thing that happened in the last time was that I launched my own course and my own community. So you can go ahead in the first link in the description, check out my first English free course, and of course also my community where I share my trades and you can ask me any questions that you have and just connect with you guys. I also wanted to give a little update on my trading. So this was this month of my trading. You can have a look or stop the screen if you want to. And I was also working on my own trading journal, which I will release end of this month. So if you see this video, it's probably out already. I'm going to give you a little sneak peek into my trading journal. So if you take a look at this is my course setup. And if I click on journal right here on the left hand side, it's loading my own journal. And there you can see, first of all, we have our net P&L for the month and the last 30 days. We can see the trading activity for the whole last year. Or if we want to, we can also have a look at the month. What I'm implementing is that you can also click on no setup to keep your streak up to documenting your own trades. So even if I, for example, on Friday stayed flat, didn't take a trade, I'll still document it and can go in and say, okay, I had no clean setup inside my session, or I couldn't take a trade because I was on, I don't know, vacation or whatever. And then if we go down, we have another P&L. We can see all the trades. We can also go into the trades. And for example, today I took a small loss. You can see the screenshot right here and my own reflection, my emotions, and of course also my own score. The scoring system is made up out of win rate, consistency, profit factor, average, R multiple, discipline, and risk control. So you will see your overall score right here. And for me, that gives me the perfect setup for everything. So I have my whole trading on one view and also journal my trades, journal my emotions, and have my confluences in there as well. If you want to try that out, I'll leave a link in the description as well. So that said, that's a little update from today. I'll be getting ready for gym now because it's already 6 p.m. and I'll take you guys with me on a little gym session and some dinner afterwards. So let's go.
I'm Mr. Body Catcher, Slaughter Gang Soul Snatcher. Ain't no regular F-150, this a fucking rapper. No capper, street nigga, not a rapper. Chopper hit him and he turned into a booty clapper. Smith and Wesson, a 4L gang reppin'. We done baptized more niggas than the damn reverend. Kappa Alpha, me and my gang, we do all the steppin'. Who you checkin'? It's F-Man, shoot east or west end.
Right, so it is 6 p.m. on a Friday, as you can see in the gym. Wanted to give you a little update while I'm here doing my little cardio session. So the reason why I didn't post much in the last couple of weeks was because I was building, planning, scripting, recording the academy for you guys. And of course, I'm still updating it. I'm still working on it right now. And that's also why my life looks a little boring right now, because it's just me sitting at my desk, trading, going to the gym, sleeping. And that's for the last like 2.5 months, I think. The only thing I had was the German trip. But of course, I wanted to give you guys a little bit more information why I'm even building this community and this academy. And the reason is that I saw a lot of traders struggle and they're all having the same kind of problems. Everyone has their strategy, trying their strategy, and it doesn't seem to work for them, even though they're trying the same strategy over and over again. And I saw that most people are lacking the base foundation, meaning reading the charts right, knowing why the market does moves, and of course also adapting the strategy they already have, because the strategy that maybe worked a year ago might not work now, because the market structure is completely shifting and you have to adapt your strategy just through tiny little adaptations. But this is the important bit. So I'm focusing in my academy on building that ground foundation of reading the chart right, understanding the market, and of course also having a strategy that you know how to adapt for the right market conditions. And that's the reason why I built my own DV trading academy. But for me, it's more all about community. I'll do live trading in there. I'll do Q&A sessions. And of course, I also have a free chat. You can just check the first link in the description, and then you will see on my website the link to my Discord. You can just join it for free. You don't have to pay anything. And it also includes a entry checklist and my free course. So yeah, that's it for a little update. I will be doing my cardio training today. And tomorrow we're going golfing. That's going to be really exciting as well. And I'll take you guys with me. So I would say we see you tomorrow at Top Golf. It is Friday. That means today is the last trading day of the week, and I'm about to get a haircut because my hair looks awful, and I'm going to Europe next week. So my flight is booked for Saturday next week. I'll upload this vlog on Sunday. So the week after I'll be already going to Finland, and of course I'll take you with me on the way, and you will see some vlogs out of Finland, how my work routine is there, and of course I want to share a little bit more about the community and take you guys with me in my trading. For now, I have to wait 20 more minutes, but I will do an analysis before I go to the hairdresser, and I will show you how I do my analysis, and I'll give you a little update after I went to the hairdresser, and we will see how our analysis played out. So let's take a look at the charts and let's see what the market is giving us today. So let's take a quick look at our GBP JPY. I already see all my levels that I need right here. If I turn this off, this is how it looks like, and this is how it looks like with the indicator. So what can we see? First thing that I did was check the news. We don't have any news today, so we can look at the chart as it is. I'm right now looking at the 5-minute. We can also tell from the 5-minute we are in a downtrend right now. Came up from the higher time frame bullish trend. So if we take a look at the whole picture right here, we are more or less trying to get a reversal to the upside, but we're in a big range. So we don't have really clear trends in the market. It's just really choppy at the moment. So because we don't really know what's going on in the market, I'm gonna mark out my zones that are really clear for me, and I only want to trade the clear zones. First clear zone that I see are shorts to the downside underneath the Asia low, because we have a clean range to the left side right here. So once we break the Asia low, the market is falling down probably to the POC level or to the psychological level right there. We have to wait for that. So that's the first scenario. What I want to see for that is maybe a push above the psychological level to grab liquidity up there, push down, and then form a retracement to the downside to fill this range. What am I looking at for my long setup? Longs do look a little bit more choppy because we got a resistance right here from the Asia high and also the previous day high. So we could try to trade to those levels. That means if we get a clear break and retest and a rejection from the psychological level, we could try to trade to the Asia high, but as you can see, the risk to reward doesn't make sense for me. The one that doesn't make sense for me would be to the previous day high. If we get a clear break, that could look like this right here. So this would be the trade that I'm looking for longs. If we get a break from the downwards trend line and a break above the psychological level with a clear structure. Right now, we still have like 25 minutes until the market opens, so we can have a look right before the market opens again. I really don't like this setup up here because there are a lot of zones where we can see a lot of rejection. A clear zone, of course, would be from the previous day high to the POC level. This would be my A setup for today, and the longs in between are like B to C setups, so I wouldn't even risk 1% on those trades. I would risk 1% here and 1% down here. So I'm looking to take this short right here and see how price reacts until London Open. So I would say we're gonna go to the hairdresser right now and get a new haircut and then see what the market is doing. And then I'll take you guys a little bit for a shopping trip to surprise my girlfriend and her parents with some gifts when I'm coming to Finland. So I'll take you guys on the way and let's see how this day plays out.
Handsome guy.
Alright, so I just came back home and I wanted to give you a little haul of the presents that I got. So this is the first thing that I got. This is Balinese coffee, like 3 different packs of those. They are supposed to be really good. And for my girlfriend, I got a bracelet and a necklace. You saw that this is like kind of self-made and customized. Then also some fake Prada because she really wanted them from Bali, so I got her these as well. Then another bracelet, and last but not least, a nice bintang towel. I think that's really funny and it's a good gift, especially here from Bali. So yeah, that's all what I got today. It is now already almost 6 p.m. So I got a call in 20 minutes. Then I'm gonna head to the gym, and after the gym I also have another call with one of my clients. But before the vlog is getting any longer, I thought I'll end it right here. And I'll take you guys with me in the next weeks when I go to Europe. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like and be excited to see some new vlogs coming up in the next couple of weeks. And if you haven't already, click the subscribe button below and I will see you in the next video. Bye.